Hello kids, welcome to VishalKidsFun. Hey kids, we have so many beautiful colors. We use for A to Z alphabet letters for practicing. So let's start for ABCD alphabets letters. Firstly, I take pink color. So in this pink color, we draw A. A for apple. And also B. B for ball. B for bat. Next color I used yellow color. So yellow color is used for C. C for cat. And also D. D for dog. D for donkey. Next one I selected orange. So in this orange color we draw E. E for elephant. E for egg. And also F. F for fish. And next G. G for goat. So next line started. In this next line I used green color. So green color H. H for horse. H for hen. Next one I. Ice cream. I for ice cream. Now I used red color. So red color J. J for joker. J for jig. And K for kite. And next I used blue color. Blue color L. L for lion. M for monkey. M for moon. N. N for nest. So first and second line is completed. Now third line. In this third line I use light pink color. O. O for orange. And P. P for parrot. Hey kids, now I using for blue color. In this Q. Q for quill. Q for queen. R for robot. R for red. R for rainbow. And next yellow color. Yellow color S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. And U. U for umbrella. U for union. So finally last line. In this last line I used pink color for V. V for van. And next orange color. Orange color is used for W. W for watch. And green color. Green color I used for X. X for xylophone. And next light pink. Y. Y for yogurt. And the last one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So now we read all alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Hey kids, once again I read all alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Hey kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to VishalKidsFun. Bye kids.